Okay. First off, there's two things. This is not my original idea. There was a couple of guys on YouTube, that's where I got the idea. It's another nutcracker, still another nutcracker. I've got videos of two others I made, hydraulic ones, but this is different. It's built like a tank. It's 1/4-inch metal. Another thing, don't complain about my welding because I'm not an expert. If you want to see a good expert of welding, you can watch Texas Viking or Chucky 2009, and them guys will show you how to weld. But this is just botched on. That's all I care about. So anyway, I got these. I think you call them flange bearings. I bought them off eBay. I think they were like $12 for two of them or something. And this pulley, I didn't have a big pulley, and so I went drove about 60 mile round trip to get a big pulley like this. Didn't have one. And then I fooled around, bored the hole too big in here. Inside that, this is another pulley that I happened to have was the right size. I don't remember, 3/4 or something like that. Anyway, I welded this onto there. Another bashy job of welding, but still I think it'll hold. Anyway, you need to get a bigger pulley up here to slow down the mechanism inside here. I'll try to get some light on this subject where you can see what it is even in there. Okay, well that might be too much light. Anyway, what that is, that's a shaft with some more little 1/4-inch rods welded to it so as to make it rough. And that guy's wobbling around all the place. And then this plate thing here, you can screw this in and out to make the distance between that thing greater or smaller. So you put your walnut in there, you can crack it, and then if you want to get it smaller, you go run through again and get it smaller yet. Obviously, there's supposed to be a motor on this thing, and so I don't know if it'll crack the walnut this way or not. It might be too big. Anyway, it goes like this here, and eventually it gets down in there, and if it'll grab it, I think I'm going to need to back this off a little bit. There you go, get it back a little bit so it'll crack that maybe even a little farther. Now if this thing was spinning, it'd do better. So we back her off again. And then, let's try it right out of there. In other words, another thing we're going to have is a hopper to come up here, which I'll make that out of sheet metal or something. But this is just to show you partly what I got going on here. This side here can be removed. I got bolts here and bolts here. That way in the event you need to take this out, you can pull it out of there. And there's the bottom side of it. That's that, I don't know what they call it. It makes the distance shorter or longer between here so the walnuts come down and get smashed in there, and then they come on down. I'll have to have another shoot. Now the one guy I seen had his really sophisticated. He had a shaker on the bottom, which I'm going to attempt to build, that goes under here. And it shakes out them walnuts, kind of separates the hulls from the rest. And still going to have to do some separating, but it won't be nearly as bad as when I crack them with a vise or something. All right, well that's a gist of what we got going on. Eventually I'll get this done, so if all goes well, I'll make a video after I get it a little farther down the line, so, and everything. So I guess that's it for the time being. One more thing, I got a couple of stickers from Big Daddy 1992. I don't know if you can see them very clearly. I ain't got my glasses on, I can't see what you're seeing. I hope they're not blurry, but very ingenious looking stickers to me. Patriotic and all that. All right, well, thanks for watching this little video here, and thanks for watching, subscribing, and rating and all that.